Okay, we got a message. This is something I bought on Amazon, like in 2023. CPSC warns consumers to stop using Qomolangma brand kitchen faucets. Yeah, so basically, this is exactly the one I have. So later on, I'll show you some footage of removing it, but first I'm going to install the replacement, which is a trusted American brand, Moen. American brands were like 150 bucks for the same thing, so I went for the Chinese brand. Well, that was a mistake. Don't trust the Chinese brands. Don't trust. That's the Moen that we just bought. Okay, I'm now installing the new one. Putting it in. I took off the old one. It's the Chinese faulty brand. That strange, faulty, possible lead poisoning one. And this is the it's the Moen brand. I'm now putting this here, and later I will install this part and put it in. So first I just want to have it here. You can hold this in place. Comes with this install tool. And this plastic nut, which goes around here. And there's the install tool that allows you to spin this to tighten it. Yet. I'm going to have to turn this a little bit here to flatten it, to straighten it. I'm going to do this. Okay. I'm going to go back to turning this. There's some grip here that allows me to turn it. Okay, I'm now going to start tightening it. I'm going to start tightening here with this tool. This tool is supposed to allow me to tighten it. It's not a very good tool, but it is a tool. Okay, I'm now finishing installing this upper part here. On the lower part here, I have used that gray hand tool to tighten this. And now there will be more steps here as I finish it off. Now I take this. Must have shoved this up. Keep this plastic thing on there. Supposed to go to the spout. And down here, this is the line up here. I connect it up here. That's the pull-out spout. It's a basic unit. Down here, I need to connect this part to that plastic clicker. So this has a protective cap on it. This is supposed to click in here. And this is where the weight needs to go. It's supposed to be below the yellow marker here, but above where the kink in the hose begins. So for me, a good spot would be here. This is like automatic click here. Okay, this will give the counterweight to pull the spout back up. Pull it out, and it goes back up. Okay, I figured out this is the hot water line. I did it by blowing on it, blowing through it, while setting the handle to the hot water flow range. And now I'm tightening it. I can open this. Verify that the hot water flows. This should be hot water. And it is indeed getting warm. That's good. And then I have the warm cold water line. Probably this one, which goes through my filter. And I will connect it in a similar way. Okay, let's turn on the cold water. Okay, let's turn it on from here. Turn the filtered water here. And there it is. The filter, the Moen water faucet has been installed. And the Chinese lead producing one has been removed. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some footage of when I removed this thing. The installation was, of course, the reverse, but it's not like you're going to install this thing. These are the old parts. This is the old unit. Trying to find. This is